All right, guys, so let's talk about this independent reading here. So every single student, no matter what school you're at, every single day, except for the weekend, of course, you guys are going to be reading for 15 minutes from Monday through Friday every day. Okay, so North Coast kids, I have sent out to you guys a link in your inbox about how to log in to that program. If you're my hybrid kids, I showed you guys how to get into it. Okay, but what you do for my North Coast group is that you guys will log into that program that I've sent to you as a link in here in your module. And every day you will hop on there and you will pick a book and you will be reading for 15 minutes every day. Okay, so for you guys, it's a little bit different from Case and Northwest because I am able to track you on this. And then for Case and Northwest, you guys are going to be reporting what you read to me. Okay, so doing the same thing, just in a different way. So North Coast kids, please check your inbox and please make sure that you are looking at the books that are on there and be clicking this link in modules. For Case and Northwest kids, I'm going to click on yours to show you because it's a little bit different than that. You guys are going to be logging what you read on the offline tracker. Okay, so I think you've done this for science or social studies, so you should be kind of familiar with how this goes. But what you will do is you'll pick whatever book that you want. It could be something not related to school at all. It should be something that you like, right? And you're going to make sure that you're reading it for 15 minutes every day. Okay, and then once you do that, you'll see this picture. And then once you do that, you'll go to this assignment where you see this picture and scroll down, and you'll start to see a place where you can submit how much you've been reading each day. So you'll be able to go in there and you'll be able to log in how much time that you've read, right? So for example, if I'm Lemitra, right, I would go in and I would submit, I read 15 minutes today, and then yesterday I read 20 minutes, and yada, 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 right? So she would put in her time, right? And then she'd probably in there, I think it's asks for evidence. So you'd say what book that you read, okay? And then you would submit that to me, and then I would approve it. Right? Now, again, I know I use Lemitra as my example, but this only applies to Northwest and Case students only. So those are the only people who should be able to see and use this tracker. Again, for my North Coast kids, you guys have your information in your inbox, and it's also available to you here on this on the module that I just showed you for week 10. And so when you guys open it up, you'll open that link, and then you will be reading your book on that program, right? So again, if I scroll back down to week 10, I'll let it load a second. So again, North Coast kids, you guys would go ahead and click yours that says North Coast Weekly Independent Reading. And then when that opens up, you'll click the link. You'll log into your account that I gave to you in your inbox. And then you'll be able to rock it out. Okay, and this will load up here in a second on this page. But again, in order for you guys to log in and use your tracker, it will be on here, and I will be monitoring your reading on my end. Okay, so I hope this explained everything from the past couple days. Hopefully technology works tomorrow, and I will see you guys somehow, some way tomorrow. Peace out.